Milestone number 7 of closing your first deal: close and cash your acquisition fee check. Well, and here you are. You've reached one of the most exciting steps of your first real estate deal journey, and that is closing your real estate deal and cashing your check. Hey, I'm Michael Blank. I help others become financially free in 1 to 3 years by investing in real estate. So hit that subscribe button and notification bell if you want to achieve financial freedom. Let's do this. Once you receive commitment for the loan and your investors have completed the paperwork and wired the funds into your escrow account, closing itself should be kind of a non-event and should be over very quickly. And that's because your closing attorney will handle all the paperwork for closing. He or she will verify that the cash funds are in the escrow account, create the HUD-1 closing documents, and manage all of the mortgage documents from the lender as well. You then go to closing either in person or remotely with the help of a mobile notary, sign everything, and then you or your property manager grab the keys and the building is yours. And if you paid yourself an acquisition fee, well, guess what? You're going to leave with a nice fat check at closing as well. So congratulations, you just closed your first apartment building deal. Now you might be asking, that's great, Michael. I'm super excited, but what happens next? I don't want to keep you in a lurch with this question because it's an important one. So before we move on to the final step of the financial freedom blueprint, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video where we'll talk about what happens after closing, specifically how to manage the property to maximize cash flow and profits. See you next time.